Hi, it's me, Keith Lemon. Welcome to another Keith Lemon's Crafty Doings. Today, I will be painting a leather jacket. Exciting times. This is the jacket that I'm going to be painting. I got it off eBay. I don't really know in my mind what I'm going to put on there, but it's definitely going to have a Vivienne Westwood influence. So I'm going to look at some books first. I think I'm going to do some kind of portrait on the back of the jacket and then perhaps decorate with just visual representations and such, and perhaps this squiggle pattern here. Anybody who knows me knows that I'm a big fan of Vivienne Westwood. I wear a lot of Vivienne Westwood, so hopefully Vivienne Westwood will appreciate my homage in the form of a leather jacket I have painted. Ooh. These lips are a strong image. I'm thinking maybe some lips definitely somewhere on the jacket. I'm liking this. Look at my freckly fingers. Yeah. All this kind of typography looks very interesting. There's the squiggle pattern. This imagery is definitely something that would work on the leather jacket. The word sex might appear on there too. Just getting inspiration, really. Some of this stuff is nice as well, like the colours. So I found an image of Vivienne Westwood with some tiny horns. I'm going to pop that onto my phone, download it onto my phone, whatever you do using technology, and project it onto the jacket with my tiny portable projector. Then I will paint it using these wonderful things that I've never had before, Americana accessories. What you do, fill these little bottles with acrylic paints and you've got a lovely fine edge, as you can see, which is much easier than using a paintbrush because you can use it like a pen. So let's project the image onto the jacket. Projector is projecting there. You can just about see it there. But I'll paint this area white and you should see Vivienne Westwood more clearly. I think the word is clearly. It's definitely, yeah, you'll see Vivienne Westwood more clearly. But I am going to use a bit of colour for her hair. I'm going to use some ginger hair there. You might be able to go straight onto a leather jacket if you're a leather jacket painting genius, but I am not. Which just goes to show you anyone can do it. So let me show you the paints that I'm going to be using. I've used acrylic on leather jackets before, so I'm using Deco Art Crafters acrylic. I've also got this Deco Art Styling paint for fashion accessories. A leather jacket is a fashion accessory, so I'm hoping that's going to work too. I'm going to start with a white base so I can paint the face up on it. I take the jacket down so it can't move around. It's these little things that we don't think of that when you think of them you go, that's a good thought. Know what I'm saying? So I've got my white area where I'm going to paint upon. Now I'm going to go in with some blacks, create some definition. Then I'll just do it from a photograph because it's too hard to do it all from a projection because it's too hard. I like to have a picture at the side of me. So I've taken the projector away and that's what I've been left with. Now I'll go in there and use my artistic skills to complete it. I guess it helps if you have some experience of painting and drawing, if you've got some skills there. I do advise getting a tiny projector if you're doing this and projecting onto the jacket so you can get a good outline of what it is you want to paint. Now I'm going to go in with some details and do real painting now. So far, so good. Really happy with it. My back's killing though. But I'm gonna use some orange for her hair. Again, I'm using Deco Art Americana Multi-Surface Satin. I hope this stays on. Maybe I just won't wear it in the rain. What's I'm saying? Rain and sin? Oh, it don't matter. So I'm speeding up the drying process using this Heat It craft tool. It's a heat gun basically, but try not to burn the leather, yeah? That's what I'm trying not to do, try not to burn the leather. But heating up around the areas there. You see I've done like Vivienne Westwood's autograph as such, and of course the obligatory orb. The orb that she has on her logo. Not sure if I told you about this pen. I've been using this acrylic pen. It's by Zig Acrylista pen. It's basically pumping out acrylic pen, and that's for the finer details, such as the orb. The orb, difficult to do with a paintbrush. I'm in the dark again because I'm projecting the squiggle pattern on the lapel of the jacket. I'll paint that in using the acrylic pen, which I just showed you previously. Let's do this. Just trying it. It's a long process, but at the end of it I'm going to have an amazing jacket. Don't know why, but I've ended up on floor again. I always end up on floor. So I'm just doing something on the arm. So this is where I am with it now. You can see we've got the God Save the Queen Sex Pistols thing going on there. We've got some ladybirds. It says Get a Life, Art Lovers Unite. The squiggle, anarchy sign there. Yeah. Just keep going, just keep going. So I'm gonna draw these wonderful boobs, I think. I might just put those there. Almost done. Just putting some lips here. Very synonymous with Vivienne Westwood, the lips. Then I'll put an orb on the other arm. I think it's done then. You can just keep adding until it's all covered. But I want to see a little bit of leather. So let's draw these lips. The jacket is all decorated with symbols and imagery, all inspired by the wonderful Vivienne Westwood. I'm happy with the way it is now, like this. Yeah, very happy. Look, there's some cheeky boobs. Yeah, remember to subscribe to the Create and Craft YouTube channel, and also press like if you liked what you've seen. And yeah, if you've got a leather jacket you want to decorate and turn it into a new leather jacket, then get some acrylic pens and get creating and crafting. I'm just gonna, let's have a little musical montage of my jacket. I should model it, shouldn't I? But it's raining outside and it's lit. So I'm just gonna lay it on the floor and show you all my stuff. Showing off times.